In this video, I'm gonna show you what's the best way to make $10,000 a month without having to actually start a business. Now, if you're wondering why you should listen to me, maybe it's the first time you see me, my name's Fred and my personal record is making $4,300 in only 48 hours online. And if you're wondering exactly how I did that, I basically sold online courses. If you want more detail on that when you're done watching this video, I invite you to check out the free resources in the description below. So I'm going to be completely honest with you. If you want to be making $10,000 per month, every single month, and you don't want to worry about starting a business, dealing with customer support, dealing with the delivery, the fulfillment, etc., your best option might honestly be to become a sales rep for high-ticket products. Because the way that this works is you sell a product for, let's say, I'm going to take $5,000, it's a high-ticket price, but you could sell programs or products, stuff for way more. I mean, if you sell a car, you're selling something high ticket. If you sell a house, it's high ticket. But let's say you sell a program or a service for someone else and it's $5,000. You usually get a base salary, which, is a couple thousand a month just to be able to live, etc. But the way that sales reps make their real money is with commissions usually. Now, sometimes you're only paid on commission, but usually you do have a base salary of a couple $1,000, like an average salary. But if you really want to make more money and hit the 10K per month, you need to sell products. So on average, I know that sales reps can get 10 to 20%, but honestly, it's more likely that you get 10%, which is still really good because if you close a client at $5,000, 10% is $500. That means that if you have a base salary of, let's say, $3,000 a month, now you need $7,000 in commissions to make $10,000 a month consistently. So if we just calculate 7,000 divided by 500, you just need to get 14 closes per month. And if we divide that 14 divided by 4, you just need to close 3.5 people per week. So honestly, it shouldn't be that difficult because as a sales rep, you don't need to worry about if the product is good, you don't need to worry about client delivery, customer support, and most importantly, you don't need to worry about getting traffic. Like in any business, honestly, getting traffic profitably is the hardest fucking thing. Because right now, I can guarantee you, if you sold anything and you had 1 million eyeballs on your offer, somebody's gonna buy. You're gonna make a lot of money regardless of whatever it is that you sell. That's why influencers can get away with selling pretty much anything. Now, if you really wanted to make a lot of money, like more than $10,000 a month, and you don't want to work all day every day, because to be able to achieve this as a sales rep, you probably need to work a lot. Except if you sell things for $20,000, in which case 10% as a commission would be $2,000, and then you only need a few clients. What the sales reps do is basically just be on Zoom all day. So that's your calendar. That's let's say 8 a.m., then there's 9 a.m., then 10 a.m., 11, 12, etc. And you're just basically taking sales calls every hour, every day. Sometimes people don't show up. On average, depending on the source of traffic, 50 to 75% of people show up. So that's with cold traffic, which is people who don't know the business at all. And 75%, it's more if the leads come from content, etc. Or a warm source of traffic, like people who trust the brand more. And so basically all day you just take sales calls. And I think that's a pretty cool way to make money because you get to make money remotely and you learn the most important skill in business, one of the most important skills, which is selling. Because you could have the best product in the world, but if you don't sell it properly or you don't market it properly, you're not going to make any money. Like I told you, I made all this money by selling my own course and selling it as a sales rep myself. So basically, I'd hop with people on a call and sell them my course to help them fix their painful problem. So basically helping agency owners, coaches, consultants, and course sellers to get more clients. And I sold all these high ticket programs and I did the best of both worlds. So I did the sales part, but I sold the product myself. Because if you sell the product yourself and you close yourself, I don't recommend you close yourself forever. When you start to make, 30, 50K, even more than that, you should probably get people to close for you. That way you don't have all your day doing sales calls and you can focus on building a better product, scaling, running ads, etc. But if you want to make $10,000 a month, yeah, you can just be a sales rep. But if you really want to make honestly 50K to 100K plus per month, you can make 500K per month. There's no limit to how much money you can make. The best thing you can do is sell online courses and your own online courses specifically, because as a sales rep, you're going to get paid 10%. But if it's you, I'll let you know how much I got paid. And yes, I'm not fucking kidding you. That is how much I earned. On every single transaction here, I got 96% profit. So if you're just being the guy who sells the product, if you get paid 10%, you are missing out on 86% of the money. So I would say it's a good way to get started, but if that were me and I was starting again from scratch, I would try and be a sales rep. And then I would learn sales, obviously doing it, and then I would sell a program to help sales reps to overcome objections or like get better at sales. And from that program, I would go from making, 10K per month as a sales rep, maybe 30K per month if I really, really work super hard and I have high commissions. Then I could scale it to 200K, 300K per month, like pretty crazy. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, if you don't want to have a business, the other way to get rich, is to have a high-paying career. Like, I know people personally who made over 10K per month with their careers, 20K per month even, and they slowly invested like in the stock market, in real estate, etc. Maybe they moved to a lower tax country and they built like, a net worth of a couple millions just by having a high paying career in finance, in banking, being a lawyer, being a doctor, these kinds of things. And honestly, that path, it suits some people. And if you can't straight up start like an online business or anything, then you might as well go for that anyway. Because if you have to work a job, you might as well get a high paying job. Now, obviously, it's not as simple as like, oh, I want a high paying job, so I have it. No, obviously, because who wants to be paid 2K per month? Like everybody wants to make 20K per month. So it's not that simple. It's not that easy to achieve. Oftentimes, you need to have studied in the right universities. You need to be able to maybe know some people so you get the jobs more easily. It's very competitive. And then you have to climb the corporate ladder for a while. And if you do live in most countries, you won't be taxed heavily anyway, because the thing is like with income tax, I know in some countries it's even worse, but where I'm from, you pay up to 45% income tax. Like there's different income brackets, yes, but like the top income tax is like 45%, which is fucking ridiculous. Like it is completely unacceptable to give half your money to the state, knowing how they utilize your fucking money. Like crime rates increasing, there's insecurity rising, etc. But you pay half of your money. It's like, what the fuck are they doing with that money? Nobody fucking knows. So this path can suit a lot of people. And in fact, like the older generation, they did not really have the same opportunities that we do nowadays with online business. So the way that people would get rich is pretty much having a high paying career, ideally being in a low tax jurisdiction, and then using that money to just invest in real estate, stock market, etc. The other way, if you want to get rich or make 10K per month without having to start a business, is by investing. So investing in real estate, investing in the stock market. Now the thing is, most people do not have a high paying career. Most people have a career, but they don't make $10,000 a month. Like in the whole world, making $10,000 a month, it's like top 1%. And if we only narrow in on wealthy countries like the US, 10K per month, it's like top 10%. That means that even in wealthy countries, like 90% of people will never make 10K per month with a career. And in the whole world, it's like 1%, like 99% of people will never make 10K per month. So if you just rely on investing and you make like, I don't know, 1K to 4K per month, and you just rely on investing in the stock market, investing in real estate, it's going to take you your whole life to get rich. And I agree that, it's better to be rich at some point, like when you're 60, than never be rich, obviously. But what if you could be rich now? And by now, I don't mean, oh, you're going to start an online business and make $1 million within 90 days. Like, that's bullshit. If you want to know the actual timeline to make your first $1 million online, it's going to take you 2 to 10 years. Now, as you can see, that's a pretty broad range. So the question becomes, well, how do we shorten the time frame as much as possible? Like if you can make $1 million in 2 years versus in 10 years, which option would you pick? I would pick making $1 million in 2 years every single time, because money also matters with the speed that you make the money. Because if I told you I made $50,000, what would you think? Would you think it's a lot of money? Well, actually, you don't know. You can't possibly answer that because you don't have all the information. If I told you I made $50,000 in my whole life and I'm 60 years old, then you'd think that's not a lot of money. But if I'm telling you I make $50,000 per month, or per week or per day, now you'd think that's a lot of fucking money, right? If you make 50K a year in most wealthy countries, it's not that much, especially after tax. So it's not really how much you make, it's how fast do you make the money. Same thing if you make $1,000 a month is nothing. You can barely live with that. But $1,000 an hour, now we're talking. You see what I mean? It's not just the amount, it's how fast you make it. Because most people working, jobs that make 2K, 3K per month, across their lifetime, they will have made a couple $100,000, maybe even close to $1 million, but it's over their whole life. So in reality, that's why they're poor. So no matter what it is that you do, you should at some point invest in the stock market, in real estate, in these things, obviously. But I'm going to be completely honest with you. Investing is meant more so for rich people than for poor people. Because the rich use investing to protect themselves against inflation. Because if they don't invest money and they have a lot of it in the bank, they just lose so much more money than the average person. Duh, because they have more. So they have more to lose as well. But also it's like, you could just invest and get richer like pretty much passively. Like it's not 100% passive. Don't put words in my mouth. But investing in the stock market especially, it's like one of the most passive ways you'll make money ever. It's just that to get meaningful returns, you need to invest a fuck ton of money. Because if you've got, let's say, $1 million invested, you get 10% a year. Now you're getting 100K passively added to your net worth in the first year. And then the next years, it's more because it compounds. Whereas if you only have, 10K, okay, great, you earn $1,000. It's not that much. It's not going to change your life. Whereas if you already have a lot of money, 100K, you can take that and live on it. And then this money will grow anyway. You see what I'm saying? And it's like when you get to make between, 20K to 100K plus per month, now you make so much money, even after tax usually, that you gotta find a way to invest all this money, protect yourself, and make more money from that money. It's a very good problem to have, believe me. I wish for you to get to that level. Now, the only thing that isn't slow when investing, and the only thing you should invest in yourself when you are at sub 10K per month, is buying courses, mentorship, etc., joining like school communities to teach you like what you want to be doing. Because the thing is, you don't know what you don't know. Remember what we talked about? The timeline? It takes between 2 to 10 years to get rich or to make your first million, basically. Well, that timeline, you can influence it. Like, sure, there's going to be some things which are not going to be within your control. Like, you might start posting content and you blow up, you get fucking lucky, you get rich in 3 years. Like, okay, great, but not everybody's going to get lucky like that. For some people, it's going to take longer. And some people, they're going to try to figure everything out alone. Most people won't make it, but some will after 10 fucking years. So one thing I did is like, I bought courses, I invested in myself, and it got so much quicker to make money. Because alone, you don't know what you don't know. Right now, you're watching this video because you don't know how to make 10, 20K plus per month with a profitable online business. Otherwise, you would be doing it already if you knew how. So the thing you gotta do is investing in yourself. And even when you make 10K per month and more, you still need to invest in yourself. Like, I would not just go and invest in the stock market without first investing in learning the stock market. Whether it's buying books or getting courses, etc. You don't want to do something without knowing how to fucking do it. Because it's the surefire way for it to take longer than necessary, like shown here, and you waste a lot of money and a lot of time trying to figure everything out alone. And then the fastest way to make 10K per month is to sell an online course. So if you don't have any knowledge you think you could sell, first, it's usually not true. So you can book a free call with me. Link is in the description below. And I'll show you like what kind of online course you should be selling based on your unique profile. But again, I gotta talk to you to tell you that because the video won't tell you. But also like if you really had nothing you could teach to anyone, you can partner with someone who does and you basically do the sales job and then it's a 50-50 thing. So instead of getting paid, 10% commissions, now you're earning 50%. So out of a, let's say 20K per month business, you'd be earning 10K per month without having to do everything, but it's still like a business. Like, I know this video is called how to make 10K per month without starting a business, but honestly, like, just stop being fucking lazy. Just start a business. If you actually want to make a lot of money, you want to get rich, like seriously, you want the highest quality of life possible, you need to start a fucking business. So don't be fucking lazy. And the best business to start is selling online courses. That's how I made this money that you see on the screen right now. It changed my fucking life because courses are so profitable. Like I did this myself and my profit, like I told you, it was 96%. Like that means when I make 10K, I'm keeping 9.6K before taxes. Pretty fucking nuts, right? There's no other business in the world which has this insanely high profit margins. And even when you are an employee, like you're getting paid 1% of the value you bring to the company. Like seriously, being an employee is not a good deal. Like if you have to be an employee for a little while, okay, yes, that's normal because most of us, like, we're not born rich or anything. We need money to fucking live. But like staying your whole life in a job that you hate, which is the case for a lot of people, I think that's just so sad. Especially nowadays that we've got the internet. Now we've got opportunities. I'm not saying it's the easiest thing in the world. No, you're gonna need to work your ass off. If you just expect, to click on a button and get rich, this is not for you. You'll never be rich, in fact, because you just don't have what it takes if you think you just need to click on a button and get rich. That's not how things work. But that being said, if you want me to show you step by step how I've made up to $2,600 in profit in a single day, again, my personal record is making 4.3K US dollars in only 48 hours selling online courses. And I started with no money. I started from scratch. I come from the lower middle class. My parents are nurses. We had barely any money. Like, I did not have any privileges. I can guarantee you that. I had to fight for literally everything I fucking got, believe me. So if you want me to show you how I've done that, starting from nothing, from the bottom of the bottom, just click the link in the description below. There's a free training that's going to show you how. But most importantly, right now, for a limited amount of time, you can apply to book a free, yes, you heard that right, a free one-to-one consultation call with me. On that call, I'm going to take a look at your unique situation and show you, like, based on where you are right now, what are your next steps so you too can start a profitable online course business and hopefully replicate my results. Because again, this is just a simple video. All the people I've helped, like I've helped people make 10K per month within 90 days of starting. I'm talking people who had no previous business experience. I'm not guaranteeing you're going to get the same results. Obviously not. It depends on plenty of things, but I'm saying it literally happens. So if you want me to share with you exactly how to do that, just click the link in the description below, watch the quick free training, and book your free call before I stop doing them. So with that said, I will see you on the call.